Hi everyone, in this tutorial I will show you how to create an AI console application using a .NET and the extension Microsoft.Extensions.AI. We will use a locally hosted AI model with Llama to show you how can easily experiment the language models. First, we need to set up Llama. You simply need Docker to get started. We will use Llama 3 as an example in this tutorial. Next, we will create a new .NET console application. This is where our chatbot program will live. Open your Visual Studio Code and create a simple project. To connect our app with the AI model, we will use the Microsoft.Extensions.AI library. It provides tools to easily work with AI models, including local ones like Ollama. Let's write the code for our chatbot. First, we will set up the .NET dependency injection so we can manage services like logging and the AI client. Then we will connect our app to Ollama's local server. And finally, we will write simple logic to handle user inputs and return AI responses. The app will even remember your past prompts for natural conversations. What is Ollama? Ollama is a powerful tool that allows developers to run large language models locally on their machines. Leveraging Docker, Ollama provides an API interface to interact with LLMs like Llama 2 or other popular open source models. The program is very simple. There is an infinite loop for the chat. We are asking for the user input. We validate the input. We store the user question. After, the AI is processing and it's responding. And we add the AI response to the history. When the coding is done, it's time to run the app. Simply start your chatbot program, type in a question or a prompt, and see how the AI responds in real time. What is .NET? And watch the magic happen. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thanks.